how to sign in to your Temu account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Temu account. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this Temu application from the Play Store. It's available for free on Play Store. So once you're inside here, you'll be seeing this pop-up at the bottom saying sign in, or you can also simply click on this U button at the middle part of your bottom section. So simply click on it, and from over here you can sign in or register. Simply click on that button and you'll get the option either to log in, sign in with your Google account or Facebook account, or with your email as well as phone number. So choose any of the option. So I will choose continue with email. So let me just enter my email. So once I enter my email, I have to enter my password, and just like that, simply click on register. And it might ask you for the security verification or your mobile number as well, so simply enter it, and it might send you a verification code or a link to verify your email. So simply click on verify now, and as you can see, it has sent me a 6-digit code where I'll have to enter it here. So I'll just check it out. So as you can see, it has been successfully sent to my Gmail account. So just like that, I have successfully added and verified my email as well. So that is exactly how you can easily sign in to your Temu application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.